Hi, Ruchira.
Yeah, good evening. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay. And this is your second session, I guess, right?
Yes, yes. This is second session.
Okay. So just give me a brief introduction about yourself because the first time I'm meeting you, so I don't know you well.
Okay. My name is Rahul Raj, and I am basically from Bihar, and I did my graduation in civil engineering in 2020 from TIT College, Bhopal.
Okay.
Recently, I live in Noida 62.
Okay. And do you work? Do you work somewhere?
Yes, I work last 6 months ago at Sarthak Company as a site engineer in
Okay.
Manda district.
So there's one mistake you made here. Can you
Okay.
spell out the word I will write? I will write down a word. I want you to spell it out.
What type of word?
Can you see the word? I've written the word.
To everyone work.
Okay. So when you said work in a flow, it sounded as work. Okay. So it is work. Work.
Work.
Yeah. Okay. So did you go through the session notes we have today?
I think food and restaurant.
Yeah. So do you want to talk on that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So are you a foodie? Do you like eating food?
Yes, I love to eat food, but
And
cheap
what,
food.
what is your favorite cuisine? What is your favorite food?
Some Chinese food like spring rolls and non-veg food also. I love non-veg foods.
So as you are from Bihar, right? So in Bihar, litti
Yes,
chokha is very famous, right?
yes,
So
but I
which
didn't
litti
like it.
chokha? Sorry,
I didn't like litti chokha.
you don't like litti chokha?
No,
I never had
I
litti.
mostly live outside of Bihar. That's why I didn't like litti chokha.
Okay, okay, all right. So like I myself, I haven't tasted litti chokha ever, so I cannot comment on that. But other than that, my favorite cuisine is maybe Chinese at times. It depends on my mood. So it depends on
Yes,
what
I also love Chinese, but I mostly prepared non-veg food.
non-veg. Okay, okay, all right. So in Noida, you say in Noida, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is your favorite restaurant to visit? Like in Noida,
In Noida to not, but in Bihar, Sharif, I visited green chili. In
green.
Noida, mostly I prepared Domino's and no, mostly popular restaurant KFC. That's it. That's basically is cleaned up. But in Bihar, I visited green chili and a spice masala one restaurant.
Okay, okay, all right. So can you cook? Do you know how to cook?
I didn't like cook,
But do you know how to
but
cook?
I like uh, taste many foods.
You just like tasting food, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Recently, I baked tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken. Okay, okay. And what is that one food you like from house, like home cooked food? If I say the best
Home
home,
cooked
yeah.
chicken curry normally. Otherwise, rice pulse normal.
Okay, okay. And what is your daily meal like? What do you like eating like every day?
Uh, in breakfast, I take bread and roti and sabji, and in afternoon take a pulse rice pulse, and dinner
Uh,
also roti chapang and
so like, is it your house is vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
not vegetarian, not
Vegetarian.
vegetarian.
Like vegetarian,
No, non-vegetarian.
non-vegetarian. Okay, okay, all right. So okay. So what is that one most delicious dish which you have cooked?
I didn't prefer cook, but I recently cooked we tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken. Okay, okay. Is there any food you do not like and why?
I didn't like vegetables mostly.
Okay. So which vegetable don't you like the most?
Mostly, mostly I cauliflower and brinjal.
Brinjal. Okay. And why don't you like vegetables? Because you don't like the taste?
Yes, I didn't like taste.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. So are you a healthy person? Do you like taking healthy diet? Or you eat unhealthy?
No, I'm not health conscious. I'm mostly eat street food
I
and
don't
fast
like
food.
that all. Okay. So okay. So you have gone through the topic as you said. So is there anything, any word you do not understand, any question you have? So you have to tell me what are your problems from the topic so that I can help you out accordingly.
Recently, I don't remember, but when I see, then
But is there any grammatical problem like you want me to explain you
no,
any?
no, no
Okay.
grammatical problem.
So did you go through the vocabulary of the? Session note?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know the meaning of Greece?
Greece, I think I read it, but I don't know. That verse I want to know. I think it means cooked or something. I don't know.
It is like, coating the pan with oil or butter. It is known
Yes,
as.
yes, yes.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of Ned or need?
Need, I don't know.
Kneading means, taking flour and putting water and then we make dough, no? Like before making chapati, the dough we make. So that is kneading the dough.
I don't understand. Can please
You
book
know
it?
chapati, do you know what chapati is?
Yes, yes,
Yes. So before chapati, what do? We take flour and we take water, flour.
yes, yes.
We make a dough.
Okay,
That
oh, I understand.
so that is
Yes, yes,
kneading. The process, the process is known as kneading.
yes, yes. I understand.
Yeah. So is there any like that's why I'm asking you because if you don't understand any word, you have to tell me. So do you want me to tell you the words?
Yes, you can tell me.
So I'll give you one word. You can make sentences. Okay, according to you. Okay. So the first word for you is desert.
Dessert. After eating, I prepared dessert. Dessert.
Okay. So after having my dinner, I prefer having dessert. Okay. The next
Okay.
one is aroma.
Aroma. I don't know. I mean,
Aroma means a nice smell.
nice smell. I don't like brinjal.
Aroma means a
I
nice smell. So can you make a sentence with nice aroma?
no. I don't make it.
Okay, I cannot make it. So
Okay, I cannot make it.
the aroma of the tea is very nice. The smell of the tea is very nice. Okay. Okay. So the
Like
question is
each sentence. Uh, I love tea of aroma. Yeah, aroma tea.
there's no tea known as aroma tea. You can say I love the aroma of the tea. I love the smell of the tea.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. The next one is okay. So the question I was asking you is like, why did you want to join Clapingo? Like, what is it? Why Clapingo?
Mostly, when I talk to I too much hesitate to conversation between two people.
In
Like
English.
you see it.
Yeah, yeah,
Some word I
exactly.
didn't send some sentence cannot complete.
It's okay.
That's
It's
why
okay.
I
First your this is just your second class, right? I'm sure you'll have a great journey ahead. So what suggestion I would like to give you is the more you practice, the better you become. Okay. So just carry on, be vocal. So talk in English more. The more you talk in English,
okay.
you get okay. Listen to English news, listen to English movies, or do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movie, but I understand English, but I could not I speak rapidly.
But it's okay. Like you have to listen. You have to the more you listen, you start speaking after that. So that's how you improve.
I speak, but sometimes I hesitate and I didn't make full sentence or something.
I give you the feedback. So the problem is when you start speaking, no, like in a
Yes,
sentence, it's like not arranged. The sentence is not arranged properly. Like is in the
yes,
last.
yes, yes.
Yeah, it is like disarranged. So for that, a lot of practice is needed. Okay, and it's never a one day work. So that's what it is. Like slowly practice. Maybe talk to
Yes,
yourself.
yes, I practice it.
Maybe if you have friends, talk to your friends in English. Okay, and
Okay,
make
I try.
very nice. If you make mistakes, that's how you know you have a scope to learn. You know what mistakes you're making. You can improve that.
Okay, I try.
Okay, so now moving ahead to the grammar, let's see what grammar is given in the. Is there any grammar given in the top session note?
Yes, I think feeling word.
Yeah, present
Complete
continuous.
sentences. Complete sentences in present.
Like, can you open the thing?
Now, how I open?
Is it there? Like, are you sitting in your laptop?
Yes, yes. I
Click,
sitting on laptop.
click on the session note.
Session note. Where are you?
Are you logged in from Google?
Yes, yes. I love talking
Okay, so
Google.
open one more page. Can you open one more page?
Okay.
Yeah. Then again, click on Clapingo and click on the session notes.
1 second. Yes. No, it's okay.
Now, okay. So the
Yes.
first is Mr. Batra dash in a small town. What do
1
you think?
second. I just change page. Wait a minute. There chat button on the next page.
Have you opened it?
1 second. I want 2 page. More page.
Is it done? We'll reach
Actually,
time.
next page. Yes, I didn't.
So, okay. So, what do you think? Just give me the answer according to you. Okay. Mr. Batra dash in a small town. What do you think will be the answer?
Mr. Batra lives in a small town.
Very good. Very nice. Every day he dash at 6 o'clock.
He wakes up. He wakes up at 6 o'clock.
Okay. So, the correct way to say is he wakes up. He wakes up.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Okay. He dash for a walk at 6:30 a.m.
He goes.
Exactly.
He goes for a walk at 6:30 a.m.
Yeah. Next is he dash breakfast.
He eats breakfast at 7:50 a.m.
Okay.
and then he goes to a school.
Okay. Like you can continue. Read it. Very nice.
He is a math teacher. His student likes him
His
very
students.
much.
His students.
His student likes him very much because
Students like.
yes, likes him very much because he is
interesting.
very interesting. They listen to him carefully during classes. Mr. Batra also loves his work very much. He finishes work at
He finishes work
he
at 3
finishes work at 3 o'clock and comes back home by 3:30. Mr. Batra lives with his wife and his 2 children. In evening, they often
They often watch a film together.
often watch a film together. They have a dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening. Usually, they have a soup and a salad which Mr. Batra prepares. I think.
Okay. So I guess we've almost reached time.
Okay.
What suggestion I would like to give you is just practice more often. Okay. The more you talk, the better you get. But other than that, the grammar, the fill in the blanks that you did today was actually pretty nice. Like most of them.
Because I tried before the session, I tried it.
Very good, very good. But other than that,
mostly when I speak that time I confusing some sentences I didn't make it.
Okay. It's okay. When you have sessions, you will get used to it. You will love the teachers here. So have excellent sessions here. It was nice talking to you. Had a lovely conversation. And thank you for the session with me. And take care. Good night. Have a nice day. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sudhitra.
Thank you.
Your name is too difficult.
Yeah.
Suchira.
It's Ruchira.
Oh, Ruchira.
Yeah. Okay.